Welcome back to class. Today we'll be looking at geometry. Let's solve one of the questions that came out this year in Basic Education Certificate Examination on geometry. For this type of question, we have certain rules that will guide us on this kind of question. First of all, we'll have to look at the principles of rules that guide angles and lines and shapes. Here we have angle at a point which is 360 degrees, but on this diagram you can see two lines that cross themselves. This line will make angle of 180 and this one also makes angle of 180. So we're going to look at this shape. For us to get the value of x, because before you can be able to find the value of y according to the question we are asked to find, you need to get the value of x. There's no way you can get y if you don't get your x. So the next thing, what we need to do is that we are going to look at the principle that says that sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So in that case, we'll have x plus 35 degrees plus 74 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Sum of angles of a circle on a straight line. So, but sum of angle of a circle is 360 degrees. Of course, the two values of semicircle will give you one full circle, which is 180 plus 180, 360 degrees. So for here, to get the value of x, we're going to add these two numbers and remove it from 180, which is x plus 109 degrees equals to 180 degrees. And that gives us that x is equal to 180 degrees minus 109 degrees. And that will give you 71 degrees. Now we have 71 degrees here, but that's not our final answer. According to the options we have 71, 35, 74, 99, and 109. So which one will be the final and eventual result? We don't know yet until we get to the final stage. So here we can take this x now is 71 degrees. If you watch here, you can see this line creating another semicircle here. Semicircle 180 degrees. So we can now use this value to get the value, to get the final this shape to get the final answer. So we can now say that x plus y is equal to 180, still sum of angle on a straight line. Having gotten the value of x, you need to just substitute these two values to give you that 71 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Then your y will now finally be, move this plus sign, this plus 71 to meet 180 degrees, so that your y, you have made it subject to the equation, which is at this point, you will have 180 degrees minus 71 degrees. And that will give you, this is 7, 10 minus 1 is 9 degrees, 7 minus 7 is 0, and this is 1. The answer becomes 109 degrees, which is option E. Thank you very much. Please do well to like, share, and follow us for more tips like this.